Hey, brilliant builders. Welcome to Python for All, where anyone can code, create, and have fun. Today, we'll meet Python, install it on your computer, and write your very first program. Let's get started.
Hi there, future coders. I promise, I'm not a scary snake, I'm a helpful one.
This is Python. But don't worry, it's not a real snake. Python is a programming language. That means it's a special way of giving instructions to a computer.
Whoa. You mean I can tell the computer what to do?
Exactly. And it will follow your instructions step by step.
Before we can code, we need Python on our computer. Here's how to install it. Keycap 1, open your web browser and go to python.org. Keycap 2, click on the Downloads button. Keycap 3, choose the version for your computer, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Keycap 4, once it's downloaded, run the installer. Keycap 5, important. On Windows, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path before you click Install. After a few moments, Python will be ready to use. Now, let's write your very first program. Type this exactly. Print hello world. Boom. You just told the computer to say hello. Congratulations. You're officially a coder.
Woo! My computer just talked to me.
And that's just the beginning. See? Easy peasy. Now you're ready to code.
That wasn't too hard. I can do that.
Once Python is installed, you can open it. On Windows, type idle in the search bar. On Mac, look in Applications. On Linux, open the terminal and type Python 3. Idle is Python's built-in playground. Perfect for us to start coding.
Playground? That means fun is about to start.
Today you installed Python. Open it up and wrote your very first program. Next time, Python will talk back to you with your name and even do some math. How cool is that?
Wait. Python can do math too?
Oh yes, get ready for some number magic.
Practice time. Try changing the message inside the quotes. For example, type print hello Python for all. Experiment and have fun. And I'll see you in the next Python adventure.
Bye, future coders. See you soon.